Let's talk about what it means to take your power back when it comes to selling your home. Sellers are often handed a contract and told to just sign it. They're told to split the commission down the middle. They're told this is just how it's done. Well, I'm here to tell you that's not true. You are not stuck signing a contract someone just hands to you. You are not obligated to split commissions evenly. And you are not required to pay $15,000 to an agent just because they showed up. In fact, commissions in Canada are 100% negotiable. It is illegal for agents or offices to say, this is our office policy when it comes to setting commissions. If you hear that line, run. That's not just a red flag, that is a problem, and it's a legal problem. Let's talk about the listing contract now. The listing agreement is a legal contract, and most sellers don't realize they can change the terms, cross out clauses, or add their own protections. Want to include a seller's condition so you're not sold out of your home before finding the next one? You have every right in the world to add that in. Want to cap the total commission or change how it's split? That's your call. Don't just sign what's put in front of you. Lead the process. Make the terms work for your unique situation. Even with my flat fee services, you're getting what most would consider premium services. On all my listings, I do drone footage, high quality video tours, detailed floor plans, open house hosting, and it's done only by myself, not farmed out to another agent in the community, which has been a common occurrence lately. You need someone who knows every detail about your home while presenting it to potential buyers, not with an agent filling the spot looking for new business for themselves, catching buyers coming through your door. Also, I do paid advertising that puts your home in front of both local and out-of-province buyers thinking of relocating here to the island. This is not discount service. It's modern real estate with a seasoned agent of almost 20 years offering a fair price to market and sell your home, with you in the driver's seat. It's your home, your money, and your choice. I'm Brenda, and I'm here in Life Moves You.